And the race on the Sergeant Mega Red, my job and catch me if you can. And reaching Pip Conquistarol, His Majesty Caloocan Joy. There's a spill, number 7, peace and love. As they lead the first turn, the Sergeant, followed by Mega Red, my Jopeng, Danori inside, catch me if you can. Conquistarol, racing Pip by some 2 lengths alongside His Majesty and Caloocan Joy. And still the Sergeant Mega Red, my Jopeng, catch me if you can. His Majesty and Conquistarol. As they move towards the back, Mega Red, by ahead, the Sergeant. Catch me if you can is racing from the outside, and my Jopeng Danori inside is Conquistarol by some 2 lengths alongside His Majesty and Caloocan Joy. Rounding the parterre, Mega Red by half a length. Catch me if you can in second. The Sergeant racing third by some 3 lengths. Conquistarol Danori inside. As they raise the last 450, Mega Red still hanging to that half-length lead. Catch me if you can, still running in second. Conquistarol Danori inside. As they raise the last 250, the super mega outstanding favorite, and this one is Mega Red. This time draws clear by some 5 lengths, followed now by Conquistarol, and finally Mega Red, the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra. Second, Conquistarol, catch me if you can, the Sergeant, and Caloocan Joy for your pen, the